Click on the link below to get price. The diamond earrings featuring princess-cut studs in 14K gold are truly a magnificent addition to any jewelry collection. These earrings exude elegance and sophistication, making them a perfect gift for special occasions or an exquisite treat for oneself. Upon unboxing, the first thing that catches your eye is the stunning presentation. The earrings come in a beautifully crafted gift box, which not only enhances the unboxing experience but also makes them ready for gifting. Inside, the earrings are securely placed, ensuring they arrive in pristine condition. Accompanying the earrings is an authenticity certificate that guarantees their quality and value, a thoughtful touch for buyers. The princess cut of the diamonds is remarkable, showcasing a brilliant sparkle that captures light from every angle. Each stone is expertly cut, resulting in a stunning balance of brilliance and fire. The size of the studs strikes an ideal balance, substantial enough to be noticed, yet understated enough for everyday wear. They can effortlessly transition from casual outfits to formal attire, making them versatile companions in your jewelry arsenal. The 14K gold setting adds warmth and durability, ensuring the earrings can withstand daily wear without losing their luster. The gold is of high quality, giving the earrings a luxurious feel without being overly heavy. The secure backing mechanism offers peace of mind, preventing any accidental losses, which is always a concern with stud earrings. These diamond earrings are not only a fashion statement but also a symbol of timeless elegance. They make for an excellent gift choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or even as a memorable gesture for a loved one. The combination of quality craftsmanship, beautiful design, and luxurious materials culminates in a product that exceeds expectations. In conclusion, these diamond earrings are a worthy investment for anyone looking to add a touch of brilliance to their jewelry collection, providing timeless beauty and sophistication that will last for years to come.